today's video is going to be a Sephora at Kohl's gift guide haul for you guys. And yes, today's video is sponsored by Kohls. So thanks so much to Kohls for sponsoring this video. So with it nearly being the end of October, the holidays are right around the corner, which means gift shopping is rapidly approaching. I feel like we just got into October and now we have to start thinking about gift shopping. And we usually wait till the last minute to shop for gifts, which is not a good thing, because we end up being super stressed when we're shopping for gifts. So Kohl's is super convenient because you can shop for everything you need in one place. And Sephora at Kohl's is the perfect place to start shopping because you can find a gift set for everybody in your family. So gift sets are some of our go-tos when it comes to gift giving because it's the perfect way for your family members to try new products, or it's the perfect time to get them more of their favorite products. And Sephora at Kohl's has a wide variety of gift sets from fragrance to hair care. They also have the buy online, pick up in store option, which allows you to buy online and you can go and pick up the product in store that same day. Okay guys, so with all that being said, we're gonna go ahead and hop right into the haul. So first we're gonna hop into some skincare really quickly. So the first thing that I have here that I think would be an excellent option for somebody who's super into skincare or super into Paula's Choice. This is the Paula's Choice Expert Exfoliation Duo. Honestly, I would also get this for myself low-key because a lot of these things I'm looking at, I'm like, I would also get this for myself.
You just get a better deal.
Exactly, you get a better deal when you buy gift sets as well. So you can get like 2 products for like the price of one. So that's also why I like gift sets. So this just has the Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant in it. You guys know that's like one of my favorite products to use. And they also have in here a 25% AHA plus 2% BHA exfoliant peel, which I've never tried before. So this is like the perfect way to get something that you've already used before along with something that you want to try. So that's also why I love gift sets, because they include different things that you've been eyeing with things that you already know work. I also love that the gift sets put the value on it versus how much you bought. So the value for this set is $68. But you can get it for $51. And then the second one that I got here is a lip set. So this is from Laneige. This is their Midnight Minis 5-piece lip set. I think I've only tried maybe like one of these, to be honest. So they have vanilla, which I've tried before. They have berry in here, gummy bear, mango, and they have mint chocolate chip. So
it's perfect for somebody who's super into lip balms.
Yes,
like that friend or that family member who's
that's
always
obsessed with lip products.
Yeah, yes. Lip balm.
And this is also good for someone who wants to try lip masks, because sleeping masks for your lips are a little bit thicker than like the everyday like lip balms. And some people also like to use these during the day as well. I'm not judging if you do. I don't blame you because they last longer on the lips throughout the day. So this is also going to be a really good gift for someone who's obsessed with lip products.
Okay, so my favorite part about gift sets, and that is fragrance gift set. They have so many on Sephora at Kohl's, and honestly, I wanted to get every single one I saw. We only got 4, so I'm going to show you guys the 4 that we got. So the first one is from Replica Maison Margiela. This is a fantastic gift for someone who wants to try these and who's been eyeing them for a while, because these, like individually, like the full size, are kind of on the pricey side. So this is like a wonderful gift to try out all the scents. So this has every scent that they have on here, so you can try out each scent, and whatever one is your favorite, you can go back to the store and get your full size bottle that you love out of all of these, or you can get more than one. So this one has Jazz Club in it. It has Lazy Sunday Morning, Under the Lemon Trees, By the Fireplace, Bubble Bath, Autumn Vibes, Sailing Day, Coffee Break, Beach Walk, and Springtime in a Park. So this is a lot of options for you guys, and honestly, you're gonna find something in here that you love, because I'm looking at this and I already know like someone's gonna love Jazz Club, Lazy Sunday Morning, and By the Fireplace,
and Sailing Day.
Sailing Day and Bubble Bath, because those are like sweet and some are clean. Like there's so many options.
I like Replica because they have scents for every season and every day of the week. Right, a lot of variety.
They have some daytime scents, they have nighttime, they have like that clean girl aesthetic that you like. They have like that deep sweet woodsy option. So you're gonna find something you love in here, and these are super convenient just to throw in your bag too.
Yeah.
Okay, so the second one is great for a man in your life, whether that's boyfriend, husband, best friend, dad, granddad, somebody that loves cologne. So this one is from YSL, and they have the Eau de Toilette and Eau de Parfum. The Eau de Toilette is a lighter scent and the Parfum is a heavier scent. So the Toilette option has lavender, sage, and cedarwood, and then the Parfum option has sage,
geranium and sensual wood.
Yeah, I like this one. This is one of my favorites. I always smell it every time I go in Sephora. It smells so good.
The light blue one.
Yeah.
The baby blue option.
Yeah.
That one is really good for women who love cologne as well, because it's a very unisex smell to me.
I think so too. Yeah.
Yeah, the darker one is a little bit stronger. It's more manly. But the lighter one, this baby blue one, I would wear this.
You know I would.
Yeah, I know you would. Definitely. So this is also a great option. Next we have the Juliet Has a Gun Discovery Set, and this includes their famous Not a Perfume. It has the just released Pear Ink, and it has 6 creators picks. So
Pear Ink is one of my favorites.
Yes, Kelsey loves Pear Ink. So I'm really excited to try these because I've only smelled maybe like 2 or 3 of these in this line, and it's one that I've been really wanting to smell is the M&M one. Yes,
oh, that one.
I've been wanting to try these, and they're all sprays, so you can just toss them in your bag. And then the full size travel size up here is their original scent, so you get a really good deal for this. Yeah, this is really cool, and this brand is not really talked about super often. A lot of people don't really know about this perfume brand.
Yeah.
So if you have like a perfume lover like me, this is great for that girlfriend in your life that loves perfumes who hasn't really discovered this brand.
Yeah, I love a good discovery set because, like you said, you can discover new scents that you didn't think you would like.
Yes.
And you can just go buy the full size of the version you become obsessed with.
Right. And last but not least, this one I've seen for years at Sephora. I think they're forever gonna have this one because it's just such a genius idea. So this is called the Sephora Favorites Perfume Discovery Sampler. This is $10, but the retail value is $27. So you get all these for $10. So this set is only available in a Sephora at Kohl's location. So I think this is a super genius idea. There are 9 fragrances in here. They have Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue, the Clean Reserve Nectar, Radiant Nectar. Sorry, Kelsey loves that one. They have the Valentino scent, Burberry Her, Victor and Raw Flower Bomb, Ralph Lauren Romance, Prada Candy, Carolina Herrera Good Girl Gone Bad, and Amazing Grace Jasmine.
Oh, they got some good scents.
So they have some really good options in here. They have some sweet, some super feminine. They have some florals,
clean,
some clean scents. So this is a really good option. And on the back, it describes each scent and the notes, so you can know exactly what it is that you're getting. You can find a new scent for yourself, or you can find different scents for like all your friends. This is basically what you do in Sephora, but you can do it at home. You know what I mean? When you're in the perfume section, and you're spraying everything everywhere, you can just do that in the comfort of your own home, and then just pick the best option.
Okay, so next, moving on to my favorite section in Sephora, which is hair products. I spend way too much time in the hair product section every time I go into Sephora. So this is going to be excellent for your family members who are obsessed with hair products or want to try new products that they don't want to spend their own money on. All of these sets are actually from Briogeo now that I'm looking at them.
It's one of our favorite brands.
One of our faves at Sephora, yes. So this first one is a Healthy Hair Power Couple set. That's what it's called, Power Couple set. So the first product I have not tried in here, this is the Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. So I've used shampoos with like salicylic acid in them, but I've never used an micro exfoliating one. So that should be interesting for someone to try. And I have tried this mask. This is one of Kendra's favorite masks. She talks about it all the time. The Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. This is a great set for someone to have that wants to try Briogeo, that has not tried it before, or one of these products is one of their faves and they want to like give the other a try. So got that. So the next one, I actually have tried this one before. Both of these products smells amazing. This is their Be Gentle, Be Kind shampoo, and then their Superfoods Kale and Apple Replenishing Conditioner. So I love this set. This is one of my favorites. I used this on my straight and my curly hair before, and they work great on both. Not a lot of shampoos and conditioners work that well on my straight and curly hair, because sometimes like products that I like for my curls tend to be way too heavy for my straight hair. So I love this set. So this will be great for someone who likes to straighten their hair or likes to wear their curls all the time. So this is a very versatile set. So it contains matcha, apple, and kale. I like that the kale has omega-6 fatty acids, which is great for like shine in the hair. And then the matcha contains a lot of antioxidants. So this just has a ton of good ingredients. So highly recommend checking this out. And the value for this one is $60, but you can get it for $52. So the value for the Healthy Hair Power Couple set is $81, but you can get it for $57. So this one, I have not tried either of these products. So this is also from Briogeo, of course. This is their Superfoods collection. So this is the Mega Moisture Hair Duo, and it has the Superfoods leave-in spray, and it also has the Superfoods Avocado and Kiwi Mega Moisture Hair Mask.
I love this one because we always talk about using a leave-in conditioner, and we always talk about
using a
conditioning.
hair mask. So these are essential products in a hair routine. This is perfect for someone who needs to start a hair routine and like get some solid products in their routine. So like you said, this is perfect with the leave-in and the hair mask. It doesn't get any better than that. I don't want to keep this for myself, but I'm not. So the value for this is $64, but you can get it for $44. And that is actually the price of one hair mask.
Yeah.
So you also get a leave-in conditioner as well. So love that.
Last but not least, we have a makeup item. So this is super essential for the person who does their makeup almost every day, the makeup lover. And that is this Beauty Blender set. So this is the Beauty Blender Turn the Blend Around Blender Essentials. So this has 3 beauty blenders in it. And at the very bottom, it has the Beauty Blender Cleanser Solid, which you clean your beauty blenders with.
Love that.
This is wonderful. I haven't been using beauty blenders to do my makeup, and I realized how much I miss them. So these are essential in a great makeup routine.
And it's really good to replace your beauty blenders often. So this will remind like one of your friends, okay girl, have you replaced your beauty blenders? Because
Get
get
some
some new
fresh
ones.
ones.
Yeah, so you do have to throw them away like every year and buy new ones. So this is perfect for that.
And this values at $78, but you can get it for $49. I kind of want to keep this.
Okay guys, so that completes our gift guide haul.
So make sure you shop Kohl's today for all of your holiday gifts and more in store or online at Kohls.com.
And check out Kohls.com to find a Sephora at Kohl's location near you. So thanks again to Kohl's for sponsoring this video. We will have a full list of all of these sets in the description box if you guys want to check them out for some of your friends and family.
So thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see y'all next time.